Jamaican style. Jamaican style.
Yes. It is part of our Jamaican tradition to eat our fruit cake, also known as Christmas cake or black cake at Christmas time. In Jamaica, those who bake would often share their Christmas cake with their families, friends, and neighbors. I have such great memories of the Christmas holidays. I often look forward to the hustle and bustle of the Christmas seasons. But most of all, I look forward to a slice of my family's Christmas cake. That rich, delicious fruit cake that melts in your mouth. I want to keep my Christmas traditions alive. So today, I invite you to come along with me as I bake my family's famous Christmas cake with my kids. The key to a melt in your mouth Christmas cake is to pay close attention to your butter and your eggs temperature. You want to make sure that those are at room temperature. And also, when you're creaming your sugar and your butter, you are going for that texture. You want to make sure that when you rub that mixture between your fingers, you're not feeling the grains of the sugar. And at the end of creaming your butter and your sugar, you're looking for a light and airy mixture, one that resembles whipped cream. Now that it's time to add our dry ingredients to the wet, I know you're looking and you're saying, man, that's a lot of liquid. But whatever you do, I'm telling you, to get that nice melt in your mouth Christmas cake, do not add any more flour to the recipe. More flour will result in a sticky Christmas cake, and we're not looking for a sticky cake. We're looking for a nice, airy, melts in your mouth Christmas cake. So, whatever you do, don't add more flour. Now that we're mixing, I know we need a bigger mixing bowl. But more importantly, I need to have my wooden spoon. This wooden spoon, after mixing my batter, I have to leave it in the center of the batter. And if this doesn't tip over, I know I have the perfect batter for that melt in your mouth Christmas cake. Now all I need next are my baking pans and my oven preheated to 350-degree. And trust me, I'm on my way to that melt in your mouth Christmas cake.